So this is the scary backyard before organization. As you can see, there is clutter every single where in the backyard. It's a small backyard. And look at all this crap just laying all over the floor. You will never ever find anything that you're missing in this pile. Now over here is even more scarier as I show you. Follow me to the scary, messy area. Don't be afraid, it's okay. Here is my workspace where I would work and create items to sell. As you can see on the right, that is one of the signs that I have made today. Very beautiful actually. But that's not it. To my right are all my woods. It's filled. It's getting filled up everywhere. What am I going to do? Look at all these beautiful woods. I just love them. So let's continue our way to the back. To the right. In a little bit, you will see the walkway is now free of woods and pallet woods that used to be stacked all the way on the top. You would never ever be able to see the pathway like this. That was 3 days of work so far. So now as we work our way back towards the front of the backyard, there's still clutter everywhere. So scary. That, my friend, used to be my garden. And this, my friend, is supposed to be our cooking kickback area. I loved the idea of tiki hut style, farmhouse style. But as you can see, throughout the years, stuff started accumulating, and now it is what it is. Clutter, disaster everywhere. And right there to the left are fruit trees and banana trees and guava plants that has not yet grown to fruit yet. And that is the waterfall, a water fountain. Look how creepy that back end looks. Those are the fruits. And that bin right there used to be filled up with woods. And here used to be my area where I would sit in the garden just to relax. But now I can't even get through there. And this is our boat that are also in process of restoring. it was taken apart into 2 pieces. We are almost done with that. That will be our fishing boat. And look, more messes. Those are my gardening pots, my landscaping rocks. Oh my goodness. And gardening tools. What is going on? This is what happened in less than a few years. Oh my goodness. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just wait for the next video.